Everybody, let's make some money today. Let's do some pressure washing. Now, in order for you to figure out how much money you're going to charge and make on this, you need to understand area, okay? And if you'll think back, area is just simply length times width, and that tells you how many square feet, okay? So on this particular job, now you can charge whatever you want, all right? But we're going to charge 22 cents per square foot. Now think about what that looks like, guys. That means we're going to have a bunch of little square feet. Actually, I'm not going to be able to draw that many, but we'd have 75 across through there, and then 25 this way, okay? Now, we're going to simply, we're simply going to do 75 times 25, because that's length times width, and that's going to tell us, I'm going to hit 75 times 25, and that says 1,875 square feet. That's how many square feet that we have on this particular driveway. That's the number that we need to know. Now, on this one, we're going to charge 22 cents per square foot. So all you have to do is 1,875 times 22 cents. Okay, so I'm going to press 1,875 times 0.22. That would be $412.50. So you've punched that into your calculator. Now you get to go to this homeowner and say, here's what I can charge you to do this. Now you might say $400. You might say $412.50. You might say $420. Up to you. But if you're up against several other people that are giving an estimate, okay, and you're competing against 3 or 4 other people, it might be good to take that number down a little bit. Maybe you do it for $400. Maybe you do it for $375. If it's a friend, maybe you do it for $375. If it's somebody that's loaded and they got all this money, maybe you charge them $425. Okay, that's just up to you. It's your business. Okay, but that is very simple to do. I take my tape measure and I just measure this way. And then I take my tape measure and I measure this way, and I multiply those two numbers together, and then I multiply by how much I'm charging per square foot. Now I'm going to show you one more, because this one can be a little confusing. This is an odd-shaped driveway. It looks like an L. Well, in order for us to find the total area, it's probably better for us to break this down into 2 rectangles. We'll do this one. Okay, and then I'll change colors for you. Then we'll do this one. Now, obviously, we're going to have to add those 2 together. But I'm going to do this one first, so I'm simply going to do 18 times 40. And that's 720. So this one's 720 square feet. But don't forget this piece, okay? I'm now going to do 20 times 17, and that's 340. Now I'm going to do 340 plus 720. I'm adding those 2 together to get the total, and that's 1,060 square feet. And on this one, maybe this is a buddy of yours, and you're doing it for a little cheaper. You're doing it for 18 cents per square foot. So I'm going to do times 0.18. Okay, 1,060 times 0.18. That's $190.80. Okay, you probably tell them $190, or you may say $200. It's totally up to you. But this is how I'll be making some extra money this summer. I do this, as many people that wants me to do it, I'll come do it, okay? And it's just extra money for going out and helping people clean their driveway. Now, you've also got one on your homework of a house. It's the same thing. It's length times width, okay? But be sure you're noticing how much we're charging per square foot. I think on the homework I've got you doing 20 cents for the driveways and 24 cents for the houses. So make sure you're using the right numbers, okay? Good luck with it.